This is a 2008 Lincoln Navigator. It features a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include power-adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a navigation system, a 14-speaker audio system, leather seats, an air suspension, 18-inch wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a sunroof, and this vehicle has fewer than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Nick Mayer Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 24400 Center Ridge Road in Westlake.